Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, running boards, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.